y'all, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that avocado helps with fast hair growth? Stay tuned to learn how avocado can help your hair grow. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Avocado is in a lot of our products, such as our hydrating mist, our conditioner, our aloe and honey deep conditioner, and our beard conditioner. Avocado has so many benefits, such as hydration, it helps minimize breakage, it allows scalp health, and it helps easy detangling as well. So Avocado Day is coming up, you guys, and I just wanted to start implementing really cool and innovative ideas for Avocado Day. So I think it would be really cool to implement a live, and we can have fun games and Q&As and just essentially interact with our audience on live. And I was thinking it would be really cool to have some really cool decorations, having cool headbands and t-shirts, balloons, and maybe incorporate our whiteboard. What do you guys think about that?
I think that's a good idea. I think it would be fun.
Yeah. And then I wanted to include our social platforms as well. So I wanted to do a giveaway for our audiences on our social platforms as well, and give them one of our biggest bundles for them to use, our wash day bundle. What do you guys think about that?
I think they're gonna really like that, especially since a lot of our products do have avocado in it.
Yes.
And I feel like a lot of people don't know the benefits. So.
Yeah. So it'll be a good day for product education and giving back to our audience. Hi everyone. We are Baskin Lather Co. and today it is Avocado Day. Woo! Happy Avocado Day, everyone. My name is Leah.
I'm Kat.
And we are here with Baskin Lather Co. We're here to talk to you guys all about our products with avocado oil in it, along with our other products in our product line. We're just announcing the winner of our giveaway. We just gave out a hydrating mist, one of our products with avocado oil in it. It is our hydrator. Avocado really helps with adding hydration to the hair, making your hair easy to detangle, and that is what our hydrating mist actually offers. It also helps with frizz. But yes, y'all, you guys can definitely go ahead and look into our hydrating mist. We just gave one out for free. Wither Lily was the winner. And Naya was like, "Man, I love you." Everything. So if you want to add more moisture to your hair, deep conditioning is a way to do so. And our deep conditioner, it has aloe and honey in it, so it really replenishes lost moisture due to sun exposure, the pool, the beach. It's still summer season, you guys. That is super important, especially during these hot months. We're closing out this summer. You need something that's going to help with length retention, and that would be our aloe and honey deep conditioner. That would definitely be a product that will help with doing so.
The shampoo and conditioner work best together. That's why we do have it in the set. This set right here that y'all are looking at is our wash day bundle. And like I said, 3 of these products do have avocado oil in them. And the reason why you need avocado oil in your routine is because avocado is definitely gonna help you strengthen your hair. It's gonna help you moisturize and maintain the hair that you do have. That way your hair is moisturized, that way your hair is taken care of. Actually penetrate your hair follicles, that way you can lock in that moisture and get all of that into your hair routine. But y'all gotta make sure y'all are definitely checking out our products that do have avocado in it.
Avocado Day, everyone.
Bye.
Day.
It was good. I still got my shirt on, my headband on. I feel like we did good with the live. I love the setup. It was great. It was fun.
What was your favorite part?
I just liked how everybody appreciated our headbands.
Okay. Little avocados on the top, baby avocados.
Thank you for watching throughout the entire video. We were talking about Avocado Day today. We were able to actually do our live session, got to chat a little bit with y'all about the good property that is avocado oil. Avocado is a great essential ingredient in some of our hair products in our product line that will most definitely help you elevate your hair care routine. So you're seeing that growth, that moisture that you're looking for in your routine. Avocado oil is gonna be a great and essential ingredient that is gonna help you not only grow your hair but moisturize it as well. And it also helps detangle hair and strengthen hair too. So make sure y'all are definitely add avocado oil products into your hair routine. And you don't have to look far. We do have a bunch of different products. And if you want a dedicated list of avocado products or products that contain avocado in our product line, definitely reach out to us on our different platforms. We do have social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, we have YouTube, we have Lemonade, Pinterest, we have Twitter as well. And we are all of our different social media platforms, just ready to talk to y'all and get to know y'all a little bit better. So most definitely make sure y'all are reaching out to us. Let us know what your favorite part of the video was. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. But until next time, peace. We'll see y'all later.